Ceiling dehumidifier can be mounted on the ceiling. Touch the switch to set the humidity. It has the dehumidifying and ventilation function.